Hey guys, welcome back to Limbo. As you can see, we're not doing your normal SFX witch makeup. We are going to be building a hex bag prop for Halloween. The hex bag is inspired by the hex bag from Marianne on Netflix. If you have not seen that show, I definitely recommend watching it. Now, on to making the hex Halloween prop. Start by taking some liquid latex and pour it onto the flat surface. I'm using a plate, but you can use any flat surface or container that you have available. Pretty much the plate is what I had available. My other option was a bowl. Once your latex is completely dry, then powder it down. When you powder it, that makes sure that the latex does not stick to itself. Once the top is powdered down, then find an edge and peel it off and powder the bottom side so it does not stick to itself. It will take a minute to powder and peel, so be patient or you might rip the hex bag and that won't be good. The edges can be a little rough and that will be completely fine. When you get your soon-to-be witch's hex bag all powdered down, decide on the side you want to be the outside and which side you want to be the inside of your hex bag. Flip to the side that you want to be the inside fleshy part of your witch bag. I started off with the lightest skin tone from the Marianne tattoo wheel. If you do not have the wheel, you can use white cream paint with a little bit of foundation, or you can find the link to the wheel in the description where you can get it. Once you have the base coat somewhat laid down, then take some red, blue, and a little bit of yellow and blend that into the skin tone and continue blending all of that into the latex. It will take a minute to blend all of this out, so while you wait, consider clicking that subscribe button to join the Limbo community. We post videos making Halloween props and SFX makeup videos and more. Now once that's done, powder it down. So now I'm taking different shades of foundation to try to match my reference photos of the Halloween prop witch hex bag. Do the same thing like the other side and blend it out to the edges of the latex. This side takes a long time to blend out, so comment down below what you want to be for Halloween. It's time to repeat the same process that we did to the other side. Powder it down. When you finish with that, take the latex circle and cut it into a smaller square shape. It doesn't have to be a perfect square, so if you do not cut a perfect square, do not worry about it. I didn't cut a perfect square, and in the reference photo, it's sort of not a perfect square. After cutting out the witch hex bag, take some red paint and paint around the edges of the hex bag square. This is that there will be a little bit of redness around the area the skin was cut off. Because in Marianne, the Netflix show, the hex bag is made out of human skin. I added some scab blood and dabbed it all around the fleshy side. Once I finished that, I added some yarn because I did not have anything resembling hair besides that. If you have a wig or a dead body, you can use that. Okay, maybe not a dead body, but you get the point, I think. Next, I added some fake teeth and sprinkled some fake blood all around that. Now, wrapping up the witch hex bag is a little tricky. I find it helpful if you use a rubber band for this process. Pick a corner and start by pinching the two sides in the middle of that together. You may need to give it more than one shot because it will slip and slide. When you manage to get it all together, slide the rubber band over it, squeezing all of your hex bag together. When you get the hex bag wrapped up in the rubber band, take some yarn or string and wrap it around the bag and tie it closed. Then take off the rubber band. Once it's closed, your witch hex bag is completely finished. You just completed a Halloween prop. The hex bag is great for your SFX witch makeup and costume. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see ya.